Exporting a Mailchimp email as HTML allows you to use or edit the email template outside of Mailchimp. Here's a straightforward guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns tab from the main dashboard to view your list of campaigns. Select the campaign. Find and select the campaign whose email you want to export. Click on the campaign name to open its details. Access the email editor. Once inside the campaign details, click Edit Design to open the email editor. Export the email. In the email editor, look for the Preview and Test drop-down menu. Select Preview mode and then click on View Email. This will open a new window showing the final email. View Source Code. Right-click on the email in the new window and choose View Page Source or View Source. Copy and save HTML. In the source code view, select all the HTML code and paste it into a text editor. Save the file with an HTML extension.